everybody is good to roll, give me a quick thumbs up, and we'll be out of here. Awesome. Alright, perfect, drivers. We can go ahead and start rolling. We'll put our foot on the brake, pull that little crystal back, and we'll start rolling. I'll try to have everyone stay nice and tidy, one big group, navigating through the parking lot. A lot of moving pieces, a lot of people walking around. Don't want anyone to get hit. As you see, starting off, a lot of motorcycles, a lot of fun stuff. We'll wave to all of our good friends over here. And then you look off to the left, you see those vehicles marked with the orange VEL tags. Those are all vehicles that have been purchased and ordered by customers, and they elected to do the delivery program. Really fun program that we have here at Performance Center. We're going to give each other some nice, safe gas working through this off-road course. I know everyone wants to go through that at their own pace, but the one pace we will not go through it at is fast. So we'll just give everyone a nice buffer zone. But immediately we're going to head on into our water crossing. So we're going to focus on getting this car nice and centered, nice and easy on the way in, and just kind of cruising and rolling the whole way through, making sure whatever we do that we don't hit any walls and that we do not come to a stop. So make sure that car stays rolling through the water crossing, not coming to a stop, not hitting any walls, just focusing on staying nice and centered, just rolling nice and easy all the way through that water crossing. And whenever you are leaving, get your car nice and lined up with that beautiful tree directly ahead, and a little easing on the throttle to get out, but immediately whenever we are on our way down, getting on the brakes. Don't want to carry too much speed down out of the water crossing. Just nice and gentle. Everyone doing a great job. So my friend behind me, I'm going to stop you right about right there. I want to show you something here quick. I'm going to challenge all of you guys. The goal is to get you guys to get that vehicle stopped somewhere where mine is at. A little further, we'll try to get it right there. See that 50-50 weight distribution, car kind of bouncing back and forth, and you can go ahead, open and close that door, no problem at all, showing you how strong that BMW frame is. So you can start rolling through that nice and easy. I want to challenge you guys coming to a stop at that point where you feel the car balancing, and then just stopping at the bottom of the hill, not coming all the way up yet. I'm going to be on the opposite side, trying to get you guys in a position of max angle, something similar to that, hopefully a little better. I'm going to work on this far side, so if you could just stop at the bottom before you come on up, I'll start guiding you. Awesome, nice and easy on your way up. I'm going to give you the best instructions that I can to give you the max angle. Car 1, you can start coming up, my friend. And car 2, I'll just kind of hold you at the bottom until we get done with car 1, and vice versa. It's nice and easy all the way up. Yep, keep on coming, my friend. Start turning to the left just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit, not that much. Perfect, keep on creeping forward, nice and easy. Nice and easy, keep on coming, keep on coming. Right there. You got that right, we're about 3 feet up in the air. So we'll start turning left, holding the brake on the way down. Not that much less, so you can straighten out the wheel a little bit more. Perfect. We'll start working our way all the way down. And drivers, on your way down from the hill, you can use hill descent control, or you can use the manual brakes, whatever you'd like to do. But car 2, you can come on up. To kind of roll through this about 5-6 miles an hour, nice and easy. Just feel that suspension hard at work. BMW X5 suspension doing the best it can. mark. I want everyone kind of taking a wide turn down at the bottom, getting that vehicle nice and straight, because whenever you get to the top of this hill, you can't see anything other than that beautiful South Carolina sky. So I want to make sure all of us are focusing on getting dead set in the middle of this hill, paying attention our whole way up, nice and easy, because it's hard to see at the top. Just making sure you're using the left, right side windows of that vehicle, making sure you got a nice distance in between both sides of that car. And then whenever you get to the top of Spiral Mountain, you're going to work your way across that bridge. And then you're going to get to the Spiral Hill. You're going to see 3 orange and white cones on the left side. Whenever you get your left side mirror lined up with the third one, I want you drivers to all start turning to the left, working your way around and down Spiral Mountain. Like on car 2, there we go. Awesome. And then as you work your way around, you're going to see a 4th cone further down the hill. That's just a reference marker letting you know that you are still on the right path. Awesome. Wait for car 3. You guys can come on up at your own, but just making sure everybody has a nice distance. Coming up those hills nice and smooth. Not racing up them, but just nice and gentle. And my friend behind me, when you get to the top of this hill, I want you to stop exactly where my car is at, right next to this tree on the left side. Stopping right next to that tree. And when we're at that tree, that's where we're going to toggle hill descent control. So hopefully you drivers all remember where that is at. If you're unsure, you're going to find that start stop button. Look all the way down to Auto H. Hill descent control is a button above Auto H. Looks like a picture of a car going down the hill. Whenever you are lined up at that tree at the top of the hill, I want all of us to just double check that hill descent control is activated. Once it is activated, you can start coming on down. And I want you to take your foot off the brake, and you should feel that car grabbing and applying brake all on its own, grabbing and applying brake to whatever tires have grip, because if that tire does not have grip and they apply brake, then you're just going to slide, and that's obviously no bueno. The car 2 at that tree, I want you to just double check the hill descent control is activated. Once you confirm, so you can start rolling down. Right here, the same thing, just rolling over this about 6-7 miles an hour, feeling that suspension at work. And next we have a banked curve. How this is going to work, we're going to just make sure get up on this bank nice and easy, working all the way around, but making sure our right side mirror is about a foot or 2 away from these fence posts. Nice and easy up on that bank, making sure that mirror is about a foot or 2 away from those fence posts. Once you get to the end of the orange and white cone, just start opening up that steering wheel, straighten it out, working your way away from that fence post at the end. Making sure we're not getting any closer than 1 foot. And then we have the same exact thing, just going to the left side this time. This one's a little easier because we can see these fence posts a little better. The same thing, just making sure you're about a foot or 2 away. Whenever you get that orange and white cone in your vision at the end, just straighten out that steering wheel and start working away from that fence post. And last but not least, another hill. Not as extreme as our other ones, but still the same concept. Nice and gentle up, nice and gentle down. Making sure on the way down that we are using brakes, whether that be manually applying them or with the different control. That is your choice, just making sure brakes are being used on the full way down. Awesome. I hope you drivers enjoyed that. Always pretty cool to see what these X vehicles can do. We'll head on back right here. Nice and easy line. Everyone's staying nice and close with each other. Those you drivers have seen throughout the day, it's pretty busy back here. And whenever we're navigating as one big group, it just makes things a lot easier.